Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Banu. And why didn't you attend the class on Saturday?
I suffered from fever.
Oh, and how much the temperature that time?
Its temperature was 101.
And did you go to hospital?
No, I did not go to
Why
hospital.
didn't you go to hospital?
It was not serious.
Okay, and did you take tablet?
Yeah, I took tablet.
Which tablet did you take?
I took a Dolo 650.
Yeah, where did you buy the tablets?
I bought from Apollo Pharmacy.
Apollo Pharmacy. And did you go alone there?
No, sir. I
I went to
went to Apollo with my mother.
along with my mother. Okay, and did you follow any diet?
Yes, sir. I followed.
Which diet did you follow?
I ate milk with bread.
Bread. And where did you buy that bread?
I brought
Yes, sir. I brought
I brought bread at Alankar
Alanka. Did
bakery.
you buy? Okay. Did you buy anything except bread there?
I did not anything.
Okay. And next one, did you recover from fever?
Yes.
Yes. I recovered from.
I recovered from fever.
Okay, nice. How is your health now?
I am very happy.
Okay. Did you have breakfast today?
Yeah,
Had.
I had ate breakfast.
Yes. Did you have morning?
Yes, I
Ate.
ate breakfast.
I ate idli.
I ate
What I asked.
I ate idli.
I ate idli. Oh, very nice. Take care, Banu, and nice talking to you. You
Thank
also very improved. You have first of all you have to start thinking English only. Not to worry. Daily, if you practice, you will get. You will speak nice. Is it correct or not? Secondary. You don't think that one. Okay. Nice talking to you again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Nice.